More than half of all commercial flooring is covered in carpet. The longer you wait to clean that carpet, the more damage you are doing to the fiber, carpet backing, and indoor air quality. Traditional, large, bulky equipment and the hours of needed downtime after use commonly deter users from properly maintaining their carpet. In 24-hour industries, extraction cleaning can be even more of a challenge. Canberra has met this challenge with Husky 1120 Dry Foam Shampoo. This product, paired with new, low-moisture encapsulating equipment, creates a simple, intermediate process that anyone can do in half the time of any other cleaning procedure. Simply pre-spray the carpet with Husky 1120 and allow the formula to quickly penetrate the soils locked into your carpet. Equipment agitates the cleaning solution and grooms the fiber to loosen built-up soil. With advanced polymer technology, the formula works to quickly suspend the soil into a nearly invisible powder. With this process, the fibers will be dry in 20 minutes and the encapsulated soils are easily vacuumed. When done on a regular monthly schedule, Husky 1120 paired with encapsulation equipment allows you to take on your dirty carpet with a new, quick, and simple process that leaves your flooring looking bright and clean for years to come.